So this is an experiment. So this is day 0. These are a paper towel that I put in a Ziploc bag, and these are kale seeds. So it's pretty early in February, but I'm gonna try to experiment and see if I can get these to germinate, and then I can put them in my greenhouse indoors so I can get a head start. This is actually day 2. So if you look very closely, camera will refocus here. And it's already germinated very quickly in about a day. And this is day 2. So the roots are getting longer, and this is just kind of great. And just for effect, you can put it in the background and you can definitely see the roots are growing, which is great. And we will eventually pot these and see what we can get.